1025. 1025.
Hey, I think we're 1025 with it back here.
Good boy, Tommy.
Oh my
Hey,
God.
are you okay? Are you okay? Yes, ma'am, we are. Yeah, we're definitely 1025. Go ahead and start EMS just to check on her. She's talking to me, but she's laid out here in the woods.
Somebody jump on that side by side and come this way. Hey, where's the EMS going? Give me a order.
Send them to the residence. There's no way they're going to get back to where we're at. Yeah. And so if you look off your left, out your left door right now, look almost straight down, you'll see us right here at the edge of this fence line, underneath the power lines.
Alright, we got the power lines. We just can't see.
Water? Yes.
Stay here.
Just north. She's laid out right here along the fence line.
My hand. I'll help you sit up and get some
Good
water.
boy, Toad! Good boy, Bobby! Oh, it's a good boy! That's a good boy! Just get up under. Hold on to your water, okay?
Hey, we're gonna try to carry you to the other side of the fence, okay?
What's your name again? Alright, just hang on, okay? Because we're going to carry you over to the helicopter, alright? Alright.
Who's on three, alright? 1, 2, 3.
Step up a bit.
Oh, sorry. Take just a break, just a second.
You want me to get the one?
Are you able to sit up at all? I'm going to help you, okay? Jimmy, you want to get her feet?
Yeah.
And I'll get
Let me
the
hold
upper...
this thing down. Put your foot on this thing. Step up.
Go. 1, 2, 3. Yep.
Yep. Watch that bottom line.
Got it.
You alright, Craig?
Yep.
Keep me in there.
Just keep an eye on Toad for me.